9:38 a.m. We're gonna go to the airport because I'm gonna go to Hong Kong in a while. Ayoko na nga mag-English. But ayun, pupunta kami ni Mom sa Hong Kong for vacation. We're in Hong Kong na. Kabali ka. We're in Donkey, guys. Ay, I'm so oily. I'm so oily. Because it's hot. Look at what we bought. Sa dami namin dinaanan. Wala pa kaming nabibili. My mom trying the self-checkout. Ano pa yung sa akin? That, matatapad. Hi guys! So, today, nasa hotel room na tayo. And look at this view. Wow! So, mag-room tour tayo, guys. This is what you'll see from the front door. When you look at here, you have your mirror and then my shower. Ang daming mirror. Anyways, paglabas mo, may mirror ulit. And then, you'll see the harbor view. Yeah! So, dito kami magsastay for 3 days. Or 2 nights rather. Look at this view! So, mukha kaming haggard ni Mom. Kasi naglakad kami. Sobrang dami naming nilakad. I'm gonna show you what we bought. So first is a top that I bought from Boo. Para siyang Uniqlo. And nakita ko to sa Uniqlo actually. Or sa Zara. And mahal siya, 1.7. Pero nabili ko siya for 700. The next is a bag. I don't know what this type of bag is called, but I've been eyeing for a bag like this in a while, and I only got it for 1,200 pesos, or like around 175 Hong Kong dollars. Gagamitin ko na siya, kaya may mga gamit na ako. We went to Donkey, but first I bought myself Dango. And then I bought 5 of these and 5 of these. Coffee, ramen. So this is, I think, shoyu. We're gonna go to Ichiran. kasi may minute si mom. So, I'm alone. So, we're gonna buy breakfast. Guys, so here's our fit today. I reused this from yesterday, and then this is from Goo. Then this is from I don't know, galing yan sa lolo ko. Socks, then rings, then I only went with Clean Girl. Stop siya sa terminal. Ano natin like So we bought Cha Panda. We're now gonna go to Nan Lian Garden. Mag-MTR kami, guys. Hindi nyo sinabi na parang hindi to parang Japan. Pinulan kami. We're now going in the, what do you call this? Yeah. Yeah, footbridge. The famous footbridge. I'm gonna recreate my baby pictures. We're now at Bakehouse. Hi. Pahirapan maghanap nito. We're back. So, I want to do kaya medyo ano ako. But we got egg tarts. So, mommy's packing na. Go, mom. Good check. Guys, we're about to go home. Bye. I couldn't help it. I want the Mona Lisa. Kasi kanina nag-K11 Musea kami. And may ano doon, ganito. Sabi ko, gusto ko to. Eh, hindi ko nakuha. Eh, di nakuha ko siya ngayon.